Project Velocity, engineering the future of speed.
Simulation running, stress mapping active. Overlay center of gravity, check mass distribution. We're clear.
Strength formed under absolute pressure.
With the stamp. Stamping sequence initiated. Stand clear. Excellent. The tank is seamless.
A mechanical heart forged in fire. Perfect balance for pure performance.
Adjusting counterweight, the vibration reading is dropping. Locking the position, balance confirmed, vibration is now minimal.
Sealed for maximum explosive power.
For high compression combustion. The monitor provides real-time feedback, confirming each bolt meets exact specifications.
Seamless power at every gear.
Delivery. Gears are meshing perfectly.
Unyielding precision in every rotation.
The teeth rotating for perfect alignment. Alignment confirmed. Sprocket is now laser calibrated.
The armor for the machine's soul. Ultimate stability on every road. Control that defies the speed.
Rotor. The high-friction sintered pads ensure superior stopping power. Now, securing the caliper to the front fork.
Fueling the fire of the machine. A titanium voice of pure power. The digital brain of a titan. Real-time data at the speed of thought. Complete dominance in every riding mode.
Rain mode confirmed. All parameters calibrated.
Aerodynamics sculpted for pure velocity. Managing heat with thermal precision. Zero tolerance for absolute speed.
Zero drag at high speeds. Seam alignment is perfect, flush with intolerances, high-speed drag will be negligible.
Powering the pulse of the beast.
Energy storage unit for rapid start reliability and weight reduction.
A mechanical roar that demands respect. Velocity unleashed on the rolling road. Every sensor verified for total control. The legend of the road is born.
Is complete. Project Velocity is ready for the open road.